Welcome to Northridge. Northridge is nestled on the northeastern border of Prince George's County, Maryland. Both quaint and affordable, it offers single-family townhomes and detached properties of varying styles and floor plans. With home values ranging from $300,000 to $800,000, the community includes several tot lots throughout the neighborhood, a community pool, and tennis courts. Centered around Northridge Park, you'll also enjoy cookouts with the family, mingling with the neighbors, or taking a short stroll around the scenic loop trail. Convenient to the Maryland Route 50 and Route 3 interchange, Northridge is the perfect neighborhood for any buyer seeking the secure and quiet suburban lifestyle.